What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I don't normally do this, but these things are just so beautiful that I want to do a little bit of video before I put the front outer lens on and show you just some of the inner details that are on this housing. Like, I'm just so super stoked with it. Obviously the paint job is just like immaculate. It's got a beautiful pearl into it. We've got the laser module for the high beam assembly, the Trident etching on the primary projector assembly, RGB halos, demon eyes, RGB halos, that's an LED bulb, and then this is a smoke reflector. I did some body work on that. It used to have like this big plastic piece that came off the side, retained the Maserati emblem that is underneath the clear coat. That just is beautiful. So here it is, the latest work of art that I am extremely proud of. It is Frank's 2013 Gran Turismo by Maserati. It is a gorgeous vehicle. He originally came to me about a year and a half ago, and I did the audio system on that. There is a wonderful YouTube video showcasing that system, which I am extremely proud of, and it was very nice to see the vehicle again a year and a half later, and this time for my new specialty of headlights. Now it is a wonderfully beautiful, nice rainy day out there, so we're just gonna have the bay door open and the lights on and showcase these bad boys in all of their beauty. As I said in that little intro section, we've got two RGB halos as well as demon eyes, and it just looks phenomenal. I am so pleased with how these came out. But if we turn these off, you can see that you know, it's just such a slick design. It looks very OEM, so of course I like that. The styling just matches with the vehicle. I really like the fact that it's a darker housing, but with all that pearl and that paint color, you know, it really kind of accents the wheels and the carbon fiber that is, you know, around our little lip right there, and the curves are all there. So very typical with all of the traditional RGB stuff, is they are independently controlled, so I can select which channel I want and I can change the colors. Let's put that up a bit of blue, and then our demon eye, we can make that into like a red. Also, everything does go white. We can have a nice running light mode, which looks really nice. The demon eye safety cutoff wire is wired up to this vehicle, so it will never be on while the headlights are on. It does do themes, so as you can see, we can just set it on a cool color changing theme and walk away from the vehicle. That's totally fine. Or we can just leave it on a color. And also I've got the turn signal wire hooked up, so I'm going to showcase that right now. So as you can see, this is our beautiful turn signal. Both of the halos are switchback products. Demon eyes are not, and also there is that profile amber bulb in there as well as the bulb replacement, so it's really bright and really clean. I just absolutely love the way that came out. Also, this has been replaced with the Morimoto amber LED bulb. Other lighting modifications performed during this trip is I did a light up Trident logo. It's a real subtle effect. This guy is switched into an ignition power source, so it will turn on anytime the key is in the ignition, so it's a great running light mod. I did notice that he tends to keep his headlight switch in the auto position, so I wanted to make sure that it wasn't tapped into the running light signal for that particular install. So I just turned on the running lights, so basically the LED behind that section turns on. These are the factory LEDs, those turn on, and then our demon eye turns off, but our halos can still stay active on any color that we want. America, eat your heart out. You've got red, white, and blue. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that? Now to kick it up a notch, I just turned on the headlights. These are the factory projectors. They move and they sing and dance and stuff. So like, we stuck with the factory lenses, no lens swap, but did do that lens etching. It is a very respectable HID system, so there was no real need to necessarily modify that. However, I did add a supplemental laser beam for the high beam. That is what I showed right in there. And this is what it looks like with the laser beams on. So this is the high beam. So our OEM HID solenoids drop down. So this is a high beam HID. And then that is our laser beam that comes out as well, which adds a huge amount of throw and will definitely light up the stuff down, down, down the road. Another lighting modification that I performed during this trip was I added the Trident puddle lights. We had done puddle lights before, but now these ones are the Tridents, which are really nice because because they're slightly more bold. It's just a simple design, so it stands out a lot more than before. It was kind of like this Maserati logo, which had colors and stuff, so I like the way that looks, and definitely an improvement in my opinion. We've also done all LED bulbs throughout the entire interior and the exterior, so everything is now modern. It is LED. We like it. That's happy. And that's really all I gotta say on this one, man. I absolutely love this piece of artwork. Oh my goodness, just what a great milestone for my career of headlight building. I hope to be able to do more exotics in the future, simply because it allows me to really take my time and focus in on the details to make sure that I can deliver a real quality result that warrants the vehicle that it goes on. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description, so if you have any interest in a build for yourself, be sure and check that out. Every build is custom made to order, so pricing will vary depending upon the features selected. Again, all of that information will be in the video description. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. Honestly, this was just a really great time, and thank you to Frank for letting me work on your precious Gran Turismo again. Hope to do more business with him in the future. It is just really, really, really fun to be trusted and have free range to do really kick-ass builds, because man, this is what I love doing. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. See ya.